Hi, it's Kelly, your AI coach from Ferret Software. Today I want to show you how easy it is to handle purchase order-based invoices in FactWeb. Please see the processing non-PO-based invoice workflow tutorial video for the basics on invoice validation, coding, and delegation. If there was a purchase order number extracted from the invoice, and that purchase order exists in FactWeb, the system will automatically link the purchase order to the invoice. You can easily toggle between the invoice PDF view and the purchase order by clicking the purchase order number. You could also select the PO number on the left and see the lines of the purchase order side by side next to the lines of the invoice. You will notice some of the lines are green, indicating a matched line item, and some are red, indicating there was not a perfect match. Notice there is a log of the automated line item matching in the notes section of the invoice. The flow for matching a line item is: identify the line item by the item code or product code or the vendor's item code. This is needed to identify the line item. If this was successful, FactWeb will compare the quantity and price of that line item. If any of those did not match, the line item will be marked as red. You can still tick the PO matched column on the invoice screen if, for example, the supplier did not have enough stock of the items you ordered, or if there is a product code mismatch. From here, you just go through your normal coding, receipt, and approval process. On the mobile app, you go through the normal process of selecting the invoice on the AP invoice screen. The items will show in red or green, the same as the web app. If you scroll down, you will see the matching notes at the bottom. You can swipe left to see the invoice and left again to see the PO. To get back, either swipe right or click the back button. Again, you now complete your normal coding, receipt, and approval process. That's it for this video. Please check out our other videos for helpful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, please reach out to the support team at helpdesk@ferretsoftware.co.nz. Thank you!